Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on this device. So to do that, click on the three icons that you can see in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then move this slider either to the left to decrease your volume level, sound volume level, or to the right to increase it. And if you want to mute volume, click this icon right here. Now alternatively, you can also use the function keys. So F4 will increase the sound volume level, and F3 will decrease it. Now F2 will mute your system audio, and if this doesn't work for you, you can use those buttons along with F key. So hold down the F key and then try using these buttons for adjusting your sound volume. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.